What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and today we're actually going to install a garage door lip on my front bumper on my Eclipse. Here is the garage door lip kind of thing. So you have this like kind of shape going on. It actually goes underneath the garage and it helps it buffer concrete and cement. So this will actually mount onto the Eclipse, so we're just going to trim it out to the length. This is what you're going to need, is that, and another thing, you're going to need some screws. So I went ahead and went to Lowe's, and you guys can pick this up. It's a stainless steel. Make sure it's a M10 by 1. This is just going to make sure this is the M series. Here is the screw itself, just this, and you're going to need the door seal. So let's go ahead and raise the car and see how it goes. Hopefully you guys can see that I got it all zoomed in and everything. So let's go ahead and get the car up. Let me get the wood. Gotta get my wood. It is a little bit higher so we can measure it up. Okay, roll it out. Shit. So, I don't have any washers. Well, I do. This is just not going to work with this type of screw. Alright guys, update. I just got it done. Well, I got it almost done. I just need more screws because I ran out of screws. But here's a sneak peek what it's supposed to look like. Okay, again, we'll get like a ground shot too. Trying to get it all together. Alright guys, so I just got more screws. I think these are, I knew I was going to run out, so here is the information. If you guys ever want to know, self-drilling, there you go. I think we need to stress cut it again. Alright guys, so that wraps it up for today's video. I just got the lip installed and it looks pretty dang awesome. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. More updates on the Eclipse and all that, so I catch you guys later. As you guys can see, here is the finished lip. I gotta put it down a little bit, but it looks pretty nice. I mean, for what it is, it really makes the car look like lower. That looks pretty tight. Alright, here we go. There you go. There it is. There it is right there. We also got a new radiator, so that's probably going to be the next. I have no idea if we're going to record that, but that's probably going to be our next project here. So just a normal radiator, meant for the 420A. Yeah, it needed it, definitely. You already know, DSM problems. Bruh, fucking radiator, bro. This is boiling, bro. Oh